Hello viewers, welcome to Whole Scholar IT. Today we are discussing about Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. At first we have to click on the right button of mouse and then click on the new and then click on the Microsoft Excel worksheet, and then you can see our Excel worksheet here open and the first interface of our Excel worksheet. Another way we can open Microsoft Excel worksheet, just click on the start button and here scroll down for Microsoft Excel worksheet or Excel. Just get it and click on the Excel, then double click on the Excel, then you can see our Excel spreadsheet are opening. Then here is another way we can open the Microsoft Excel. Just click on the start button and type EXCEL. Then you can see our Excel here in the display. Just double click on the Excel icon and open our Excel. Then you can see our first interface of Microsoft Excel.
Open Microsoft Office Excel, then we have to click on new for new document and then click on the blank document for create a new blank document. Then you can see the first interface of Microsoft Excel worksheet.
But first we are discussing about the home row. Here you can see the clipboard section, font section, alignment section, number section, and the style, sales, and the function section. First we have to type something for our Excel spreadsheet learning. So I just type something at here. Just click and paste. I write it a wheel at here. Then you can see I just write customer name, Kelvin name, customer name, bill number. You can see date, address, and some list of item and pieces and price. So first we are discussing about the font section. Here you can see it was the font style. If you want to change your font style, just select your text and click on the font style and select font as you want. Just select this, then you can see the font style. I change it. Then you can change the font size as you want. I just select cell and change its font color, font size. Then you can see our font size is changed. You can also apply the settings by selecting there for whole sheet. And you can see we can color bold. It's just like Microsoft Word. You can color your writing just like this. Then you can see our font color will change it. You can also highlight your writing like color as you want. Then you can see our writing are highlighted. I also stop highlighting because it's not looking pretty. You can also keep underline something just like this. I want to underline this cell. Select it, change underline, and you can also change underline understand by clicking there. And you can also border right here. I just want to put this bill in a border. I just select and add a border like this. Then you can see how I add a border. Then we can go for alignment. In the alignment you can see here one section is selected. It's just your text down field. I just change this at the center. Then you can see our whole text here in center. Click in there. Then you can see our text here starting from the right side, and it's for left side, and it's for middle center, it's for upper center. I'll just put everything in the middle center. Then you can see the orientation style as you want. Here you can see the warp text. Warp text is for the text you have changed the warpings. I just select this margin, center margin, click on the warp text, and you can see our writing here showing full and the cells here going to max. We can also change the size of cell by select size and clicking like this. You want to show the complete address, so you can see March cell at this size. You can see the Kelvin debit name. Take it 1 2 3 3 cells, and it's not needed. I can merge it. You just select your cells and click on margin center. Then you can see our writing here in center and our cells are in margin. Cells, just select your cells and click on the margin center. Then you can see our writing here in margin. How you can change. Then you can see our writing here in margin. Then we are going for the number section. Here you can see our here add a dollar sign. You can add a dollar sign like this. Just select your text, click on the dollar sign. You can change it like this euro. I just keep it dollar sign. Here you can add percentage for your percentage and click comma for your writing. You can cut your zeros like this. You can add zeros like this. And this section for styling our table like permanent table as like we can change our table like this, change our table like this. You can see our table style here, change it, style our cell as we want. I just select this cell style. Here you can change the style of our cell. This is the cell section. In the cell section we can add a cell like this. I just select and I want to add a row. I just select this and click on insert, and I select insert a sheet row. Then you can see here is sheet row added. If you want to add a column, just select a column, then click on the insert sheet column. Then you can see here a column added. I didn't want this, so I just undo this, and here you can see we can add a column here. Insert cells, we can add cells, insert sheet, new sheet, we can add new sheet, and here you can see we can also delete cells, column, sheet, like insert, and you can format size of our cells, visibility, and organize. And here you can add lock, protect, and lock functions. We have to add some functions for at first we have to decide the total price. So for the total price we just add functions like this, equal to sum, and click at the first bracket and type C. Here is the 6 into D6, close the first bracket. Then you can see here our result, and we are give the multiplication or into 5 into $20. Then you can see here result $100, and we also doing just click in there and hold and down for complete total sheet. And you can see we just complete one function in our just select and down. Then you can see our next calculation, so yeah, absolutely to complete it. Here we just add multiplication. Here we have addition. We can add this all amount in once to a function like this, first function. Then we have to type E6 is to E9, close the first bracket and click on enter. Then you can see our all amount here added in at once, and we get our net amount. And you can also minus total to advance. Just type equal to S2 at first bracket. E6, we have to add this column. This is in E10, so we have to type E10 and then click on the minus button. Here is the minus, add a minus like, and type E11, click on the enter. Then you can see our total due amount is $180, and there we complete our sheet. Totally completed our sheet and our calculation. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe.